Here is a wonderful 2021 Toyota Corolla. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This stylish Corolla sedan has earned its place among automotive industry icons. With a well-deserved reputation for value and reliability under its belt, this compact also delivers multimedia infotainment tech, a spacious and sporty interior, smart safety features, and a spirited driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm. Enjoy the efficiency and style this captivating Corolla has to offer. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.